In this task, we have to configure Tomcat and app server 1. So let's connect it to the app server 1 first. Step 01, the password. So we do have the root.war file under /temp directory on jumphost. So this file, we have to copy this file to app server 1. So for that, I'm going to use scp. That's a secure copy. Then I'm going to give that file name. So that's under temp directory root.wars, and then I'm going to use Tony, and then app server 1. I'm going to give path where I would like to copy. So I'd like to copy under Tony's home directory. So okay, /home Tony, that looks fine. Maybe let me copy the password again. So that's been done. If I check it, if I do ls here, so I got that root.war file here. So now I'm gonna install Tomcat. So Tomcat needs Java to run. So if I check Java iPhone version, it hasn't been installed. So if I do install Tomcat, then this one is gonna install Java as well as Tomcat apps, Tomcat web server. So once it is done, we have to change the default port to 8088. So Tomcat by default runs on port number 8080. So we have to change that to 8088. So let's do that. Once it is okay, it's been done. If I check, okay, we need to edit that configuration file. So that is under /etc/tomcat. So whenever you install some service, so those configuration files is going to under /etc and that service name directory. So in this case, Tomcat. Then we need to edit this server.xml file. Now here press / then put 8080. So it finds out these many 8080. So we need to edit this connector port 8080, not connector executor, just connector port. So insert mode, change that 8088, change that to. So now save and exit, then restart the service. Restart, sorry, that's a systemctl restart Tomcat. So if I do curl localhost on port number 8088, so it didn't print out anything. So what we can do, we need to copy this var file to our this Tomcat's document root path. So that is under, so let's copy that path. If I do ls, I do have root file. So copy this file to /var/lib tomcat /webapps, this directory. So now if I do the curl again, okay, let me restart the service otherwise. That's restart Tomcat. Now do curl again. Just okay, 80 connection one cannot assign requested address. Okay, let me put http. Yeah, now I could see that welcome to Xfusion Corp Industries. It says that deploy it on this Tomcat server and make sure the web page works directly on base URL without specifying any subdirectory. So that's what we did. So let's check the task results. Confirm. It's been done.